Wasn't able to get much of that on camera, but I just smoked an opening day gobbler. They came in from the complete wrong side, came right into my scoot and shoot decoy I had out in front of me, and I had to shoot to my right, and that's a really hard shot. But I was able to kind of scoot around when they weren't looking, and finally got a clear shot. I didn't clear out enough shooting lanes here in my brush, but I waited, found a good shot, and took it. Had 3 of them come in on me. It didn't take long this year. This is my first gobbler in 2 springs, so I'm pretty pumped about it. I wish I'd have got better footage, but it's just the way it goes. Let's go take a look at it. All right, folks, here we go. Here we go. Not a big boy, but still, I will take that every day of the week. Look at that. Can't beat that. All right, folks. This might be one of the quickest turkey hunts I've ever had. It's right at 7 o'clock. And I heard a turkey gobbling earlier on the roost. I just let out a couple little hen yelps on the mouth call, and he gobbled back, and I waited maybe 5 or so minutes, just a couple more. I didn't overcall, and I could tell when he got off the roost, he quit gobbling. I didn't call at all. Until I heard him gobble. He sounded like he was going a little further away, but he's out in this field. And just a couple more calls, I could hear he gobbled. So I knew he knew where I was at. And I just waited. And could tell the gobbles were gradually getting a little closer. So gave him just a little bit of yelps, nothing much. And could tell he's getting closer and closer. I did not overcall. You don't want to overcall these birds. And I just happened to peek over. I could see him coming over the horizon. He had 2 buddies with him, so I just kind of sat back, waited for a good clear shot. You don't want to move. You don't want to overcall. These birds are very wary, so got it done today. I'm happy. Another successful hunting trip on Hawkmore Outdoors. Really pleased with this turkey. Everything just worked out the way it's supposed to. Got to attribute a lot of the success to my old scoot and shoot decoy back here. If you haven't seen a scoot and shoot, it's designed to hide behind and crawl through the field, but I just had it staked out in front of me this morning as a decoy, and those turkeys are pulled right in by it. So definitely check out the scoot and shoot decoys by Mojo. Great product. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Hawkmore Outdoors.